Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to use an Insignia USB file transfer cable. First, ensure both computers are powered on. Locate an available USB port on each device. Plug one end of the cable into the first computer and the other end into the second. The necessary drivers should install automatically, which usually takes less than 1 minute. You'll see a notification when the connection is ready. Once the cable is connected, the file transfer software should launch automatically on both computers. If it doesn't, navigate to My Computer or this PC and find the new drive labeled Insignia or similar. Double-click the executable file to start the application. Verify that the software recognizes both connected systems, often indicated by a green light or status message. With the software running, you'll see 2 panes, one for each computer. This allows you to easily browse files and folders on both systems simultaneously. To transfer, simply drag and drop your desired files or entire folders from one pane to the other. A progress bar will show the transfer status, and you'll receive a notification once the transfer is complete, usually within seconds for smaller files. After all your files have been successfully transferred, it's important to safely eject the cable from both computers. This prevents potential data corruption or system issues. Simply right-click the cable icon in your system tray and select Exit or Quit. Store your cable carefully to ensure its longevity. Also, remember to check the description below for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.